Hey guys, I decided I'm going to do part 2 from this pack opening for the new Sword and Shield Astral Radiance. In my first video, I opened 3 loose packs that I got from my local shop. And just to show you, these were my best pulls. This is obviously just a regular Glaceon, not special holo, but you know, gotta love the evolutions. Alright, and then I pulled a Starmie V. Barboach reverse holo, a Bronzor reverse holo, and the Hisuian Sneasler reverse holo. So those were out of the best cards out of the 3 packs. And now I also picked up this Build and Battle deck. So I took the plastic off, but I haven't touched it as of yet. So obviously, you know, nothing too special here except for the one promo card, which I'm assuming is this Hisuian Samurott. So it looks like it is a holo. Apologies for the noise. Every time I try and do a video, there's always background noise. Alright, so we've got these 4 Astral Radiance packs, so I am excited. These feel a little bit different than the other packs. I'm not sure why. They feel more square and slightly heavier. This definitely feels thicker than the others. So let's get to opening them. Apologies for using my trusty scissors, but I am one of those people, as I said in the last video, that does not open packs well. So I do use the scissors carefully and make sure that I don't cut the cards. Again, I forgot to count where the good cards are, so I'm not doing that 1, 2, 3 nonsense. Looks like I've got a place marker there. Cool. All right, let's go. We've got Barboach, Poniard, Eevee. This is a Eevee I do not have, obviously. Heracross, Teddiursa. We've got our first reverse holo. This is the Hisuian region heavy ball. We've got Cleaver, kind of cool looking. Sorry, I'm getting used to the whole video thing here. Make sure hopefully it's clear and crisp. Yeah, there's our V-Star marker. Okay. Kricketune. We have our first trainer card, Unidentified Fossil, and Bronzong. So, nothing too special there. Let's go to our next pack, because these over here, for some reason, feel pretty heavy and kind of more square. So hopefully that is a good sign. All right, we have Combi, Drifloon, Psyduck. Psyduck. Ah, Togepi's always so cute. Gotta love a good Togepi. We have Magnemite. And a reverse holo Magnemite. Cool. Ah, Regidrago. Interesting. Energy card, don't care. Dewott, which as we know evolves from Oshawott. Kind of cute, him laying in a little pool area. Yanmega. And Trainer Silene, which we got in the, I believe, the first video. All right, let's go to pack number 3 for this Build-A-Box. Come on, baby. All right. We have another Togepi, another Magnemite, Ralts. Here we have Hisuian region Sneasel. Oh, I see something shiny back there, guys. We have Miss Drevis, reverse holo Curlia. Oh, there's something good back here, guys. Oh, Heatran V. Very cool. That is a beautiful card. That is kind of evil. I like it. That is neat. So, wow. Yeah. Very neat. Energy, we don't care. We have another Quilava. Oh no, maybe this is my first one. I think I only had Cyndaquil before. Golduck. Super effective glasses. Kind of funny. All right. So, that's all for that. And we've got one more pack to go. Come on, chase card. Oops, gotta stay in the camera here. All right. We have Stantler, Yanma, Hoot Hoot, Kricketot, Sudowoodo. Oh, Reverse Hollow Shaman. I also got a glimpse of something back here. I'm going to try and hold these so I don't give it away. Oh, Heatran VMAX. Nice. Not a character I particularly care for, but it's a VMAX card, so you got to give it its proper due. So that's cool. Then we got Energy, Piloswine, and another super effective Glasses and Bronzong. All right, well, thanks for sitting here through my 2 videos of the new Astral Radiance. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the sneak peek of this new pack.